Hello everyone, welcome back. Now it's time to enjoy some drawing, some coloring because it's our sketching class. Yes. And what are we going to learn sketching today is a shape and some objects related to that shape. If you remember, we have learned about heart shape. You remember that? A shape like this. Heart shape we have learned about, and when we were learning about this shape, ma'am told you there are so many things that comes in this shape. Like we have chocolates, we have candies, we have cushions, cakes and so many things. So what are we going to do today? Today in our sketching period, we are going to sketch. First, we'll learn how to draw a heart shape. After learning to draw the shape, we'll also draw some objects related to this shape. So the work to be done in the drawing files. But before starting your work, just learn how you have to draw a heart shape. Okay? Very easy, very simple, and I'm going to teach you in a more easier way how you have to do. Now, you all know how to write number 3, right? Maths में number 3 कैसे लिखते हैं? Everyone knows that. आता है सबको? Yes. So what we are going to do? We generally write 3 like this. ऐसे लिखते हैं. अब आपको क्या करना है? You have to write 3 like this. ठीक है? इस 3 को हम सीधा ऐसे नहीं लिखेंगे. We will write it like this. A big one. अब what you have to do? You will make one slanting line towards your right hand side, and from here you will make a slanting line towards left hand side, and they will join. यहाँ पे जहाँ मीट कर रहे हैं वहाँ उन दोनों को जोड़ना है. Understood? Let's see it once again. सबसे पहले क्या किया? We have written number 3. Clear? अब उसके बाद आपको क्या करना है? Like this, 2 slanting lines, और वो एक पॉइंट पे दोनों मीट करेंगे. So what is this? This is your heart shape. Isn't it so simple to draw? Number आपको लिखना आता है, slanting lines आपको बनानी आती है. So now you don't need help from anyone. Like this, you will first draw heart shape. Clear? अब इसी में ही हम पेज को डिवाइड करेंगे और दूसरी साइड हम क्या करेंगे? We are going to draw some objects with this shape. So again, heart shape कैसे बनेगी? Make a 3 like this and join with slanting lines. Now you can make a balloon, heart shape balloon. Clear? Then we have heart shape, chocolates. So you just have to make some heart shapes like this. One small, bigger one can be balloon, smaller one can be your candy or chocolate. To make it a candy, make a stick here like this. तो ये क्या बन गई? It is now your cotton candy. Cotton candy आती है. We get it in heart shape. We have chocolates in heart shape. Isn't it? You can also draw a cushion. Again, make a 3 like this. Then 2 slanting lines joining here, and you can draw some lines like this to give it a furry look. उसको fur जैसा दिखने के लिए you can draw some lines like this. So it's a cushion. files में कैसे करना है, how we will identify it's a chocolate or candy or balloon or what, let's see the work in files. जैसे मैम करेंगी, you have to do it in the same. Okay, let's start doing the work. So class, this is how you will first write your date, day, then topic, heart shape and object and classwork in your drawing file. Right? So first we have to draw a shape. Now to draw this shape, take your pencil. As I told you, first make a big 3. So how we'll do that? Like this. I have drawn a big 3. Now this 3 I am going to join it with 2 slanting lines like this. And here I have a heart shape. Now what you can do, you can take any color pen like this and trace this shape using your color pen. Like this. Clear? And after that you are going to color it beautifully. So for heart shape we are going to take red color and we'll color it like this. First you have to finish your shape. Now I am using pencil colors. You can use your crayons also for this. Or if you want you can use these pencil colors also. But जब आप color करेंगे, make sure you are going to color only inside the lines of the shape. बाहर नहीं निकालना है color. Okay? Like this. Your heart shape is done. Now comes the objects. So objects के लिए first we are going to draw a balloon. Again a 3 like this and a slanting line. Now here we'll show the knot of the balloon with the string. Clear? Now balloon can be of any color. So I am going to take this blue color pen and I'll draw the outline like this. And after drawing the outline, I am going to color it using blue color. So now balloon is done. Now next let's draw a chocolate or a candy. Again for candy I told you we'll give it a stick like this. Clear? Again we'll make this candy look pink in color. And this is the stick of the candy. Now what we will do, we'll take pink color and color the candy here. Like this. So you can draw any other object if you want. Or if you want these objects, you can draw them also. Now only one small chocolate also I am going to draw because I love chocolates. So what I'll do, I'll draw a small chocolate here like this, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to color this chocolate with brown color because chocolates are brown in color. So like this, I'll color this chocolate with brown color. Clear, everyone? Now after this, let's write the name. What is this? Balloon. Then this is candy. And this is chocolate. Like this. Understood? So this is how you are going to finish your today's sketching work. Color it beautifully and neatly and share with me. Bye all. Take care. After finishing, don't forget you have one more class to attend. Get ready for that next class. Hope you liked it.